1 Thessalonians 5:12 says, we ask you to what? Appreciate those who work hard among you. I mean, that can apply to anyone, any relationship, in your family, in our church, in our community, anyone, in your business. I mean, if you have a business, show appreciation for those people that are working and the effort that they're making. And the sooner you do these things, the sooner you show your appreciation, the more your relationship is going to be raised in its value. Now, let me explain how that works. Today, I brought with me a couple balloons. And a lot of times, just imagine your relationship is like a balloon, all right? And a lot of times, our relationships are like these balloons. Flat. They're flat. Might be your relationship with your husband or your wife, it's flat. It might be your relationship with your kids, it's flat. It might be your relationship with your coworkers, it's flat. You know, you have flat relationships. Flat relationships are not good. You can improve these flat relationships. So let me show you how you do that. What you do, see, a balloon needs air. You understand that? And just like a balloon needs air, our relationships, they need appreciation. You see what's happening? As I'm putting air in the balloon, what's happening? It's increasing in its diameter. That's what happens when you put appreciation into a relationship. It increases in value. Do you understand that? That's exactly what happens here. So let's go ahead and compare these two now. I'm going to tie this off. Get the finger out. What would you rather see your relationship look like? This or this? Would you rather have a flat relationship, or would you have a relationship that looks like, hey, this is fun? Which balloon is more fun? This one or this one? See, when you have appreciation in your relationship, it's going to be a whole lot more fun. But your relationship cannot exist, cannot function, will not work without appreciation. Just like this balloon cannot function, cannot work without air. Do you know how many relationships I've seen end up like this? Do you know how many marriages I've seen end up like this? Do you know how many kids I've seen end up like this? Do you know how many pastors I've seen end up like this? Church members end up like this? Ministry leaders end up like this? Do you know how many? I cannot tell you how many. And one of the reasons why they end up like this, why any relationship ends up like this, blown up, busted, is because we don't show each other appreciation.